Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you step by step how to verify your app within AdMob account, so you can start making money via AdMob. So let's get started. It's very simple to do. The first thing is open your AdMob account. Okay, once you open it, this is the step number 1, open it. Then go to the home. Within home, if you're the first time user, you'll be seeing the add app option. If you're not able to see, then just simply go on the apps and then click on add app and then select the platform. So in my case it's Android. Yes, it's listed on App Store. Your app should be listed on App Store. Okay, so click here and then continue. If it's not listed, still you can show ads, no worries in that. So in my case it's listed, and then search for the app. So let's suppose your app name is anything, it could be anything, yo. Search it, make sure you enter a specific name, okay, which belong to your app, and then simply click on the add, and you'll be basically able to add your app. So let me just show you. So I click add, and once I continue, it'll ask me for some more details, and that's it, and app will be added. So this is how it works. Once you add the app, this is how it will look. There'll be option called status. Here you can see it says verify the app. Now click on the verify app. Now we need to verify the app. To do this, first go to the Google Play Console, because your app already exists on the Play Store. Okay, now what do you have to do here? Click on your app. Okay, open the app and then go to the Grow Users, and within the Grow User click on Store Presence and then click on Store Settings. Inside the store setting, you'll be able to see this option, store listing contact details. Here we have to add a website URL. Now there are two methods. One could be you have your own hosting, you have your own domain, so okay. The second way could be you don't have any hosting, you don't have money to buy maybe domain or hosting. So I'll show you both ways. So let's suppose you have hosting. In that case, just simply create a website and then add the URL of that website here. Okay, in my case it's zapinta.com, and just save it. Now within the zapinta.com, I have to create a new page. Okay, and here you can see this is zapinta.com/app-ads.txt file. So I have to create a text file within my website, and there I have to add this code. So in your case you'll be having your own unique code. Okay, remember we clicked on that verify app option. So once you click on verify app option, you'll be able to see this code. Just simply copy this and create a page. Now how you can create a page, that's also a simple thing. Just go to your hosting provider and then go to the file manager and then access your website files. Once you access your files, here you can see this. Just simply create a text file in any editor. You can use text editor or Pages app. So I'll just show you. Here you can see, just use any tool, create a file, and make sure you save it as a txt file, and make sure like you add a code here. You need to add this code. Okay, add this code and then save it as a txt file. So you have to save it as a txt file. Once you do it, upload this in your hosting provider, that's it, and save it. And after 24 or 48 hours, it'll get verified automatically. You don't have to do anything. So this is way number 1. Okay, Now way number 2, let's suppose you don't have hosting, so you can use WordPress and Blogger. Just go to the blogger.com and create a new blog. Once you create a blog, you will get your own unique URL for your blog. So in my case, here you can see I have created this hello world, and yeah, and this is the blog hello world. And simply I'll just click on the view, and here you can see this URL. This is the specific URL I got, one hello world 12345.blogspot.com blah blah blah. Just copy it. Once you copy it, again go to the Google Play console, edit, and here just type this URL whatever you have received and save it and publish it. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now second step, you have to create that text file within this. So it's quite easy. Go to the blogger once again, go to the settings. Inside the settings, scroll down. There is an option called monetization. Okay, enable custom ads.txt. Just click here, enable it, and click on this custom ads, and here you have to paste this code. Just paste this code and save it. That's it. That's all you have to do. And once it's saved, it'll again get verified automatically after 24 to 48 hours. So this is how you verify your account. If you're still facing any issue, please let me know. You can reach me out at Instagram, and please do subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day. See ya. Bye bye.